And this is the time for us to see change happen in the next general election. We want to see that the future government that run the country is not a kleptocracy. The future government are the government of the people, the government that hope for the best for the people, the government that take care of the people, the government that is concerned about your livelihood, your cost of living, your education, your economy. The government that always be in the hearts of all people, irrespective of race, creed, religion, Malay, Chinese, Indian, Sabahan, Srawakakian, they all are Malaysian. We want to make sure that the future of the country in good hand. Unfortunately, the present government do not take care of all of you. They do not concern about all of you. They only concern about themselves and about their own cronies. They steal the people's money. They squander our wealth and they actually sell our pride. We are not happy that Malaysians are not nowadays very proud of their country. So this is the time for us to show that we are all united, irrespective of where we come from. Let us not put aside our differences, put our views that are not together, but this is the time for us to be united. Ini masa untuk rakyat Malaysia bersatu hati. Karena masa depan kita adalah masa depan kita semua. Bukan saja untuk saya sudah tua, tuan-tuan muda, cucu-cucu kita yang akan datang. Mereka mahukan sebuah kerajaan yang adil, kerajaan yang sesama, bukan kerajaan yang mencuri uang rakyat, bukan kerajaan yang telah merosakkan negara. Kita mau supaya rakyat Malaysia ini mestilah rakyat yang bersatu hati. Ini masanya untuk kita tunjukkan sokongan, sertai semua mana-mana parti-parti politik dan NGO yang menyokong perjuangan kita. Pedulikan dengan Barisan Nasional. The time is up for BN. This is not the time for Barisan Nasional. This is the time for the people. We must dictate the future of this country, not the few people that dictate what is right for you. We are the one. We are the people. Malaysian people. We must be all together. And I must appeal to all of you, all the political parties. Let us set our differences. We must be united. We must fight them on one-to-one basis. We will win, insyaAllah. We support from all of you, of course, dengan izin Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala.